For those new to ETFs, think of them as baskets of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Unlike individual stocks, ETFs spread your investment across a range of assets, reducing your risk. Plus, they're more cost-effective than many mutual funds. Now let's break down our top 3 picks. ETF number 1, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. Our first pick is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, ticker symbol VTI. This ETF covers the entire US stock market, from small cap to large cap companies. It's a simple and diversified way to invest in America's economic growth. Expense ratio, only 0.03%, making it incredibly affordable. Why it's great for long-term growth. Historically, the US stock market has provided substantial returns, and VTI captures the entire market's performance. So if you want broad exposure with minimal fees, VTI is a solid bet. ETF number 2, iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, EEM. Next up, we have the iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, ticker symbol EEM. This ETF focuses on companies in emerging economies like China, India, and Brazil. Why it's worth. Considering emerging markets have higher growth potential compared to developed countries, with increasing urbanization and a growing middle class, these regions could drive substantial profits. Expense ratio 0.69%, which is higher than VTI but expected for emerging market exposure. Investors looking to diversify internationally should keep EEM on their radar. ETF number 3, Invesco QQQ ETF, QQQ. Finally, the Invesco QQQ ETF, which tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, includes 100 of the largest non-financial companies in the US, primarily in the tech sector. Why we love QQQ for long-term growth. Tech drives the future, and this ETF gives you exposure to giants like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. Over the years, QQQ has delivered impressive returns thanks to the dominance of the tech industry. Expense ratio 0.20%, reasonable given the growth potential of the companies within it. Remember, tech investments can be volatile, but over the long term they have proven to be some of the best wealth generators. And there you have it, our top 3 ETFs for long-term growth, VTI, EEM, and QQQ. Remember, investing is a long game, so patience is key. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more investing insights. Have questions or other ETF recommendations? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.